Hey guys, what's up? I am Riddhi Chawla,
And I'm Meghavi Solanki.
and this is actually our first podcast, so we don't know what this is going to become yet. But honestly, that's what makes it more fun. And basically, we're going to talk about everything about the lives that are changing in cities right now, from commute to technology and everything that's changing around us. And
A lot of conversations that happen during chai breaks, long rides, traffic jams, and while waiting for all of those friends that keep telling you just 2 minutes. Nothing too serious, nothing too filtered. And if you're somebody who's constantly on the move, then you'll probably fit right in here. We are everywhere at
UV
UV Rides.
rides.
Follow us on our Instagram, link in the description.
So, anyway, today's conversation started because
Yeah, so me and Riddhi we got to talking last night, and I was telling her about how impossible it is to commute in this city. Like how hard it is to go anywhere. If I want to go get like I want to take a chai break for example, I want to get like I want to go to a place behind my college. वहाँ पे जाने के लिए मुझे इतना सोचना पड़ता है. I want to go watch a movie. I want to go somewhere. I want to go shop. I want to do anything. मतलब it's just so difficult.
so tiring. And honestly, that is what brings us to our first segment, which is why transportation is so important as a student.
Yeah. So, guys, before starting, I'll just give you a little background, personal background. So, me and Riddhi we are both MBA students, and we are not locals. We are not from this city. So, for us, it's like it's an everyday struggle. हमें कहीं भी जाना हो, it's an everyday struggle. So, currently we are pursuing MBA. हमें वैसे भी इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता, पर जो कुछ टाइम हमें मिलता है एंड हम चाहते हैं कि हम उसमें स्ट्रेस रिलीव करके कहीं पे भी जाए, बी इट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. इट्स लाइक पूरा तुम्हें कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है माइंड में, हाउ डू गेट टू दैट पॉइंट, मैं कहाँ से किससे हेल्प लूँ, क्या करूँ मैं, हाउ शुड आई गेट
Exactly.
देयर.
It's like half of the time goes away in भाई यहाँ छोड़ दे, भाई वहाँ छोड़ दे.
Exactly.
And if not, then we're constantly switching from one app to another, trying to find a ride for ourselves.
एंड डोंट गेट मी स्टार्टेड ऑन द भाई यहाँ छोड़ दे वहाँ छोड़ दे, बिकॉज ऐसे कुछ कुछ लोग जिन्होंने जिनसे यू नो ना दैट
Yeah.
दैट डूड.
That dude.
या तो वो बंदी भी जो उसकी. हाँ तो मतलब ऐसे ऐसे लोगों से जिनसे मैं कभी मुंह पे मैंने बात भी नहीं की होगी, आई हैव नेवर कॉन्वर्स्ड विद देम एंड आई हैड टू sorry guys, I had to ask for help. I had to basically ask for help कि प्लीज़ यहाँ छोड़ दे वहाँ छोड़ दे. एंड स्पेसिफिकली हमारे कैंपस में मानसून में इट्स लाइक इट्स स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ पूरा ताकेशी का कैसल वाला जो रील फेमस भी हुआ था आई गेस. पूरा ताकेशी का कैसल जैसा सीन होता है जहाँ पे यूर जस्ट
It's
जंपिंग
bad.
फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. एंड वहाँ पे इमेजिन अस विद आर हैवी एज क्यूटी क्वांट टेक्स्ट बुक्स एंड वी ट्राई टू गेट समवेयर, और उसमें एक स्कूटर वाला बंदा आता है और जूम करके बाजू में से जाता है और वो पानी तो उड़ा रहा है, वो तो छोड़ो, बट वो इतने आराम से.
It's dirty and it's difficult within the campus itself क्योंकि campus इतना बड़ा है कि like we just want to reach our management block from our hostel and it is a 15-minute walk, a
Yeah.
good 15-minute walk from the hostel, and it's tiring to do that every day. And then some localite will come in and just pass by you and annoy you.
Yeah, exactly. And annoy you and so I don't know if you all know or not, but MBA is basically essentially a residential program. So these people will be calling you, mailing you, messaging you at any time of the day, not at night obviously, but in the afternoon, 3 p.m., 4 p.m. that we are going to have some emergency session, some class, some guest lecturer has come. एंड हम उधर कैसे ब्लॉक हम मिस भी कर देते हैं, क्लास हमारा मिस भी हो जाता है, 5-10 मिनट हम डांट भी खा लेते हैं, और नहीं व्हीकल ही नहीं है, कुछ पॉसिबल ही नहीं हो पाता. सो इट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट.
I think as a student it's very important because by the time you reach the college, the class, you're already exhausted, your productivity is nil, and you're so heat exhaustion जो वो take over कर लेता है, that is so difficult. And it's not just classes, it's internships, it's social projects, it's live projects, and उन सब के बाद में अगर थोड़ी सी जगह बच जाती है तो हमारी सोशल लाइफ ऑलरेडी जो डेड एंड पे खड़ी होती है वो कम्यूट की वजह से हमेशा फुल स्टॉप पे आ जाती है.
एंड आई एम जस्ट सो जेलस ऑफ द लोकल्स. आई एम जस्ट सो जेलस ऑफ द लोकल्स दैट इनको ये सब चीज़ें सोचनी भी नहीं पड़ती है. इनको इतना कुछ मतलब दे कैन कीप ऑल देयर कमिटमेंट्स, दे कैन मीट ऑल ऑफ देयर फ्रेंड्स, दे कैन गो बैक टू देयर फैमिली, व्हिच रिमाइंड्स मी आई मिस माय होम सो मच. बट लाइक कुछ भी मतलब जस्ट लाइक यू सेड, व्हेन अ डे इज स्ट्रेसफुल, फॉर एग्जांपल If I'm having the worst day of my life, I don't want to sit with the people that I'm sitting. I just want to have alone time. I want to go home.
A long
Man,
drive.
I cannot do. Yeah, I need a long drive. I need
Exactly.
a long drive. लॉन्ग ड्राइव छोड़ो, मैं बस अपने रूम पे जा सकती हूँ मैक्सिमम, बिकॉज मेरे पास व्हीकल नहीं है. मैं एक रिक्शा कराने का सोचूं, मैं उबर कराने का सोचूं, इतने पैसे जाए और दुखी मेरा जीवन हो जाए. इससे जब मैं सिर्फ रूम पे जाता हूँ जहाँ पे और 2 रूममेट्स मेरा वेट कर रहे होते हैं, तो इमोशनल स्पेस की बैंड बच जाती है.
And sometimes when you decide to go out with your friends on a movie, I remember you telling me कि एक बार you planned a movie. It was an 8 p.m. show. You leave at 7 p.m. and 1 hour before you still don't reach and you miss almost half the movie. So it's like cab rides book karo, auto rides book karo, whatever you do, you ask a friend to pick or drop you. You're gonna be late if you don't have your own commute because you're gonna spend half of your life figuring out how to reach where.
Exactly. And I'll give you more context to this. So I was very excited for this movie, Michael. Okay, and me and my friends had planned it like weeks ago कि we'll go and watch it the minute it gets released in theaters. And हमने सारा कैलकुलेशन दिमाग में किया और हम लोग 8 PM की मूवी में हम 7:10 निकल गए थे. And it's not that far away. It's just 9 to 10 kilometers. तो भी we missed 1.5 hours of that movie because इतना traffic था.
I love how you just casually mentioned that it was only 9 to 10 kilometers because everything is so far away that even 9 to 10 kilometers sounds okay.
And एक तो if you're from a small town, it's easy to get anywhere. जो भी है, चल मैं कैब का भी एक्सपेंस उठाने को तैयार हूँ, मैंने कुछ भी कर लिया मेरे पास. अगर मेरा कॉलेज एक स्मॉल टाउन में होता तो आई वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड, बट इफ़ यू आर लिविंग इन अ मेट्रोपोलिस, इट्स ओ माय गॉड, मतलब. And our campus, it's just so far away from the city.
Living on the
It's
highway
so
is
far away.
difficult.
We are literally living on a highway. We are living in middle of कुछ like Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. And यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं मिलता. हमें हर चीज़ के लिए कम्यूट करके, अगर हमारी क्लब एक्टिविटीज़ हो, अगर हमें एसेंशियल्स चाहिए, हमारी डेली नीड रिक्वायरमेंट हो, हमें तो भी मिडिल ऑफ द सिटी में जाना ही पड़ता है. आई वॉन्ट टू मीट वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हु लिव्स इन सम अदर कॉलेज. उन सबका कॉलेज है तो सेट इन द मिडिल ऑफ द सिटी एंड आई हैव टू लिटरली गो देयर.
It's so, when you talk about your friends, they live in the middle of the most happening places.
Yeah.
And getting there is a nightmare for students like us.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of our student culture that has evolved in the past few years has been that क्योंकि when you look at anyone around you is in a different city from their hometown, struggling to get to their college, struggling to get to their PG or hostel or flat, whatever they live in, and then sharing that place with 4 other people, trying to survive in their typical adolescent life. उस सब के बीच में अगर तुम्हारे पास कम्यूट नहीं है तो तुम मेट्रो के धक्के खा रहे हो, तुम कैब्स उठा रहे हो, तुम यहाँ से वहाँ, एंड इट्स द लास्ट माइल doesn't ever exist as long as you are not commuting through your own vehicle.
Yeah. And so I've had friends who not just missed their movies or events, they've missed their flights.
That
You
is,
remember,
yes,
right?
yeah.
So that person
I was, yeah.
missed their, like दिवाली वेकेशन मिलता है हमें बस एक वीक का, and उन्होंने वो important flight miss कर दी थी because of the commute
Cabs,
issues in
yeah.
a big ass city.
I was one of those people जिसने अपनी ट्रेन almost miss कर दी थी.
When
Just a month or 2 ago when I was leaving, the only problem was I wanted to go home at odd hours. सुबह 5:45 की ट्रेन, and I had to leave the campus at 4:30, and no cab driver would obviously accept my ride at that time. But if I had my own vehicle, I would obviously just take my ride. I would keep my छोटा मोटा सा luggage and just drive to the station, park my vehicle there and leave. That would have been so simple. But कैब वालों के लिए 2 घंटे वेट करने के बाद तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि तुम्हारी राइड बुक ही नहीं होने वाली है, just because you're not driving, you're not traveling at their time convenience. You have to wait till someone has more convenience so that they can actually pick and drop you.
And while we're talking about this, I recall the job opportunities that summer internship that we missed
Yeah.
at this certain company that I'm not going to name names. जिन्होंने अपने requirement में लिखा था that they'll only hire people with vehicles, which are local.
Localites. They wanted people who have a vehicle or you're not hired. Like, this is a legit criteria to get hired.
People don't talk about it.
No skills, no certifications, no degrees can make you matlab, like, you know, fit for a job
Yeah.
as long as you don't have a vehicle. And that's so silly for a company to think. I get why they would do this, that they need someone who's always on the move, and
Yeah.
that is what we lack as a student.
Yeah.
We are not always on the move.
Exactly.
It's exhausting.
And exhausting छोड़ो, it's so it's just मतलब the freedom that comes along with it. You
Yeah.
get it right? मतलब I see all of my friends who have their own vehicles, जो लोग आराम से मतलब no matter what the day it is, they can just take their vehicles, they can take their Activas, they can take their cars out, and they can just have the time of their lives. You're having a bad day, go have some tea, go to the cafe, eat some food, long drive पे चले जाओ, you're having fun.
Don't even get me started about how much it costs if you don't have a vehicle.
Yeah, and by the way, that brings us to the segment 2 of our podcast today, which is why we should be switching to EVs. And hypothetical question with you. मान लिया सारे issues खत्म कर दो, सब कुछ भूल जाओ, तो हमने फर्स्ट सेगमेंट में बात की थी, ठीक है?
Okay.
If you had a vehicle, would you be happy? Would you be like content?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Have you seen the petrol prices?
Yeah.
I would not dare to step out with my own vehicle. Over 100 rupees, and by the time this podcast probably goes live, it would be more.
Yeah.
And it is silly to think of कि मैं पेट्रोल भरवाऊँ, मैं जाऊँ, तो आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली रनिंग अ मीटर इन माई हेड वाइल ऑल्सो कैलकुलेटिंग द बिल्स जो मेरे किसी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुँचने के बाद निकलने वाले. इफ आई हैव टू रीच अ होटल, आई एम ऑलरेडी स्पेंडिंग फॉर माई फूड और वट एवर इट इज़.
Yeah.
And then I also have to think about इतना ज़्यादा spending, and that will also happen agreed with cabs, auto fares, everything. And for someone, it is so stupid when you are living as a student. तुम्हारे पास barely दिन के 2-3 घंटे तुम्हारे पास free निकलेंगे. उसमें भी if you are taking an auto or a cab, or let's say बेस्ट केस सिनेरियोज लोगों को लगता है आइडियली मेट्रोज विच इज़ वेरी लेस कॉस्ट, ये वो. इट इज़ स्टूपिड. आई हैव अ मेट्रो दैट इज़ 10 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम माई कैंपस. तो वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए मुझे 200 रुपये देने हैं, और उसके बाद उस मेट्रो में जाना है, और उसके बाद मेरी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुँचने के बाद मुझे जहाँ एक्चुअली पहुँचना है वहाँ से मुझे और एक कैब लेनी पड़ेगी या ऑटो लेना पड़ेगा, विच इज़ अनदर 100 रुपीज़ लेट्स से. तो इट इज़ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी, वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. मेट्रोज आर वेरी स्लो. आई एम सॉरी फॉर whoever loves metros. You're stupid.
I can't navigate my way at a metro station because I just cannot. मैं तो बिल्कुल कर ही नहीं पाती. और अगर एक ऐसी सिटी है जिसको जहाँ मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि यहाँ से वहाँ कैसे जाते हैं, उसमें मुझे कहीं मेट्रो पे छोड़ दिया, आई एम अ लॉस्ट डॉग.
It's like कि metros are only perfect for people who live near metro stations and have understood कि क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि otherwise it is not any use. ऑटो फेयर्स इतने ज़्यादा होते हैं. ऑटो वाले भैया, इट इज़ जस्ट yesterday what happened was I left the office and I had to go home, I had to reach home, and I book a ride, and this auto wala agrees to it. He has accepted the ride, and then he calls me and tells me कि actually आपकी ट्रिप जो कॉस्ट है वो 120 दिखा रहा है, बट मैं आपसे 200 रुपये लूँगा. एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम व्हाई. ही वाज लाइक क्योंकि डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है. तो व्हाई डिड यू एक्सेप्ट? Why did you accept if you thought that तुम्हें कम पैसे मिल रहे हैं? Don't accept the ride. And this happened for 3 consecutive rides. So auto fares are skyrocketing because भैया के bills खत्म नहीं हो रहे हैं. Cabs are just more traffic, inviting more traffic. You can't zoop zap a cab. And if I have my own vehicle, I would love to have my own vehicle just so that I can leave traffic, I can escape the city and be a social bee for once. Otherwise मेरी आधी ज़िंदगी ट्रैफिक में निकल रही है.
That was a lot. That let me process that. That was a lot. But the zupzap वाला part हटा दे तू मुझे बस इतना बता. अभी देख the West Asia में जो पूरा feud चल रहा है, और जो अभी for the longest time we don't know when it's going to end, right?
Right.
तो पेट्रोल प्राइसेस दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम डाउन, ठीक है?
No way.
मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, जो लोग चला भी रहे हैं, ठीक है, जो जिनके पास व्हीकल्स भी है, उनके लिए भी इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट कि यार पेट्रोल, पहली बात तो समझ है पेट्रोल वैसे भी जल्दी ख़त्म होता है, ठीक है, और दूसरी बात इतना ज़्यादा उसका प्राइस स्काई रॉकेट हो रहा है. अगर मुझे मेरे दोस्तों से हेल्प भी लेनी है ना, द अदर डे आई वाज आस्किंग वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स कि यार मुझे यहाँ पे ड्रॉप कर दे, एंड यूजुअली दैट पर्सन इज जस्ट सो काइंड, ही इज सो काइंड, ही टेक मी आउट एवरीवेयर ऑन हिज बाइक. ओके, दैट पर्सन इज जस्ट सो काइंड.
That's
बट
so sweet.
उस दिन ही वाज लाइक कि मेरा आई अंडरस्टैंड बट पेट्रोल का प्राइसेस भी, मतलब हम हर दिन बाहर जाते हैं, वी कैन नॉट डू दैट एवरी डे, यू नो, आई कैन नॉट ड्रॉप यू एवरीवेयर हमेशा वगैरह, बिकॉज अब मुझे पेट्रोल का भी देखना पड़ रहा है, आई एम रियली कंसर्न. और एक तो ये जो सारे रूमर्स घूम रहे हैं कि पेट्रोल अभी खत्म हो जाएगा, फटाफट जाके भर लेते हैं, पूरा जो क्लस्टर क्रिएट
The
होता है फिर social
scarcity
media पे
is
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. I understand that part, but there are also fake rumors that are circulating जो कोविड के टाइम पे भी हो रहा था and still going on, and जिसकी वजह से people are having misconceptions कि अभी मिसकंसेप्शन हो रहा है कि अभी के अभी जाके पेट्रोल भरवा देते हैं वगैरह. अरे जिनको एक्चुअल में पेट्रोल की नीड है, ये अपने साथ हुआ ही था ना, जब अपने को
Yeah.
पेट्रोल चाहिए था, जब अपने स्कूटी ली थी
Yeah.
अपनी फ्रेंड की और अपने को भराना था, बट कहीं पे था ही नहीं.
We
because-
ended up with no petrol और हम जगह पे जा नहीं पाए
Yeah.
जहाँ पे जाना था.
Exactly. And मतलब like I said in the first segment, when you have a campus, when you have a college that is so far away from the city, अब तुम समझो कि तुम्हारे पास खुद का व्हीकल भी आ गया, बीट अ कार, बीट योर स्कूटर, बीट योर एक्टिवा, बीट योर बाइक, तुम्हें हर चीज़ के लिए दूर जाना ही पड़ेगा और दैट्स ड्रेन्स योर पेट्रोल इवन मोर. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो इवन द लोकल्स आर नॉट हैप्पी.
Yeah, because it is petrol is very outdated. Let me
Yeah.
just put it out there. Petrol is Nokia now. It might be great for people, but it is dead. It should be dead by the time. And I think EVs is what should take over now. मतलब अब मुझे लगता है कि like when I look at you, you've recently got an EV,
Yeah.
and that has just spoiled me in ways. I just look at her and I go, actually कहीं चले तो कैसा रहेगा?
Yeah.
It has solved so many things. Like the first year of college was entirely different without a commute, and now that we have a commute, it is so simple. And plus, it's not even about कि हमारे पास vehicle है. It is also so economical because हमारे पास एक EV vehicle है.
Exactly. And मैं तो ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा firmly believe करती हूँ. So I'll tell you a story. Yesterday night I had a conversation with my mom. I called her. मैं मामा को बता रही थी कि यहाँ का weather कितना घटिया है. समर में गर्मी है, मानसून में और ज़्यादा गर्मी है, विंटर में और ज़्यादा गर्मी है. तो मतलब it's just hot, hotter, hottest वाला पूरा
Yeah.
चीज़ चलता है. तो मुझे यहाँ का weather समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो I was telling her about it. My mom really likes to talk myth and all. And मुझे बोलती है बेटा कलयुग चल रहा है, ठीक है. तो ये मैं भी मानती हूँ, डूम्सडे इज अ रियल थिंग. आई टोटली बिलीव इन डूम्सडे आ भी रहा है, इट्स गोना कम, इट्स गोइंग टू अटैक अस वन डे, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल दीस बिलियनर्स एंड मिलियनर्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, ठीक है. एंड द ओनली वे वी कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर इज आई थिंक ईवीज.
Just save yourself. And I
Exactly.
don't think कि this is one small thing. लोगों को लगता है कि you know everything is a very small thing. Like EV चलाने से क्या ही हो जाएगा, but every little thing adds up, and it's like बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है is a real thing.
Yeah.
And I've seen that lately because we went from spending on cabs, autos.
Yeah.
We used to pay 400 for a cab ride, and then 400 for our food, then 400 back home, back to the hostel, and it used to cost us 1200, let's say. Now it's only costing us like 500. अगर 100 rupees और extra आप डाल दो for our commute through the vehicle, and it has saved us so much that we can actually go out more. And इतने छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से impact create होता है
Exactly.
that you start saving up money, you start saving up so much time.
Yeah.
लोगों को जाके पूछना नहीं पड़ता तुम्हें, and it saves up so many things around you.
Yeah.
If you are someone जो eco-friendly चीज़ों में believe करता है, it's I think people have shifted from मुझे अपने ego boost करने के लिए, social status के लिए ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. They've shifted from that, and actively choosing EV is so good. Like it is like choosing to have vegan food. It is like choosing cruelty-free skincare, and मतलब no harm to anything around you as much as you can, and this is so important to do.
And also, I'm telling the government is hinting us at it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech about the work from home initiative,
Yeah.
I'm telling you the government is hinting us on it that we need to switch, and that is what brings us to our next segment, which is
All about EVs. Okay.
जैसे कि तुमने बोला
जैसे
कि मेरे पास अब So guys, I have a vehicle now,
Yes.
and I'm currently using this O3 model by White Carbon Motors. And when I tell you it's lovely, it's god damn lovely. I am having the time of my life. And by the way, my bike is yellow, and I love yellow color. I just love yellow color. And the features in it यार, EV में एक तो सब कुछ कंप्यूटराइज्ड है, तो मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था बिफोर गेटिंग एन EV. मुझे पता नहीं था व्हाट शुड आई गेट वगैरह, बट माय मॉम एंड डैड केप्ट टेलिंग मी कि मेघावी गेट समथिंग दैट इज लाइट वेट, गेट समथिंग दैट इज लाइट वेट. तो पहले मुझे लगता था कि थोड़ा सेक्सिस्ट कमेंट
Yeah.
थोड़ा सेक्सिस्ट कमेंट हो रहा है वगैरह कि क्या हो रहा है, बट मुझे कुछ कलेश वगैरह नहीं करना था. पर उन्होंने क्यों बोल रहे हैं, क्यों बोल रहे लाइट वेट, मतलब क्या मैं उठा नहीं सकती क्या, मतलब भैया को तो कुछ नहीं बोला जा रहा वहाँ पे, ही इज राइडिंग हिज बाइक, एंड मुझे क्यों कमेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं ये सब चीज़ें. बट नाउ दैट आई हैव वन ना, आई टेल यू, आई टेक इट आउट ऑन ट्रैफिक, आई टेक इट आउट एनीवेयर, एनी मिसहैप हैपेंस फ्रॉम माई साइड ऑल्सो. इट इज ब्रो, इट इज सो लाइट वेट, इट इज सो लाइट वेट.
I think when they say lightweight, they mean smooth because
Yeah.
I've seen it with almost all the EVs
Vibration
and
less है
especially yours.
Yeah.
It's that it's so easy to ride and it's so easy to navigate through. मतलब अगर मुझे तुम एक बाइक दे दो जो पहले मुझसे उठाई नहीं जाएगी, I am not capable of that. तो मैं उठा भी लूँ तो अगर मुझे ट्रैफिक में निकालनी है तो मैं बाइक से पहले मैं गिरने वाली हूँ. I know that, but with EVs it's so silent, it's so calm, it's so peaceful and smooth, and it's cute, and it's cute.
It's very cute यार. And मतलब
Poppy colors and cute lighting,
Yeah.
and they're just so sophisticated. I like
अरे
it.
यार there were so many colors. तेरे को याद है मैं तेरे को वीडियो कॉल भी किया था.
Yeah.
कि इतने सारे कलर्स थे, मुझे समझ में, मैं चूज क्या करूँ फिर. Like
I really love.
कॉल किया.
Yeah, I really love the cherry red because that was so
Because
bold.
that's in trend. That's why.
Look at your nails. That's in trend.
Don't be jealous.
Okay, fine. So it's just so enticing to have an EV. पहले तो, and personally I love that. While you talked about the lightweight वाली चीज़, मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत पसंद है that जो अभी तक की vehicles आ रहे थे, two wheelers especially, they don't have that reverse feature यार. मतलब मुझसे गाड़ी पीछे नहीं होती.
This dumb ass, and I cannot use that word currently, but this dumb ass beep, she doesn't know how to like reverse gear use करना, इसको reverse मारना ही नहीं आता है. And thank God ये तो उस दिन
You
मेरा
learned-
vehicle था इसके पास.
You learned to drive after me. You can't tell me that I don't know how to.
No, you were safe that you had my vehicle that day.
Actually, yes.
Yeah.
मतलब reverse gear has changed me. It has spiritually awakened me because
God, Baba.
how can you not have? Why did no two-wheeler company ever think of this before कि गाड़ी पीछे ले सकते हैं हम उसी एक्सेलरेटर से जिससे आगे जा रहे हैं हम गाड़ी पीछे ले सकते हैं.
And I think this is going to sound very sexist, but I think it's for female. Please don't come at me, but I genuinely think it's for the females. But नहीं यार.
I think they're saving us girlies. That's
Yeah.
good.
I hate the word girly. Please don't use girly. Don't use girly. But नहीं, मुझे ये पता है कि EV लेने से पहले मेरा भाई मुझे बोल रहा था कि इतना झंझट तू क्यों ले रही है, तुझे इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन, तुझे ये सब उसका चार्जिंग पोर्ट एंड ये सब देखना पड़ेगा. और मुझे पता है लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव दिस मिसकंसेप्शन कि इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली अ मिसकंसेप्शन, इट्स एन अंडरस्टैंडेबल इशू दैट पीपल फेस कि यार अगर EV ले लिया इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल तो चार्ज करने का क्या, उसका पोर्ट क्या. एंड गवर्नमेंट हैज दिस न्यू रूल दैट हर एक नई बिल्डिंग दैट इज बीइंग एस्टैब्लिश्ड नाउ, दैट इज बीन बिल्डिंग नाउ, they are compulsory to have to build a electric pole. And but what about the older buildings, right?
हाँ, but this is also not realistic. देख, अगर गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है कि नए बिल्डिंग्स में तुम लगाओ एक इलेक्ट्रिक पोर्ट,
Yeah.
तो वो एक लगाने का रख रहे हैं. तो एक सी एज एन इंडियन अगर तुम्हें कोई बोल रहा है ना कि मिनिमम इतना चीज़ करना है तो तुम मिनिमम ही करोगे. अगर गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है कि यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट वन चार्जिंग पोर्ट, तो buildings are not going to have more than one, I can assure you that. And if they have more than one, let's say they have 3 in the like most extreme scenarios, उनके पास 3 charging ports हैं. Out of 50 vehicles they have, उसमें से let's say 20 to 30 EVs हैं. How are you going to charge all of those just under those 1 or 2 charging ports?
That is true. And I think that is where I think the bike that I have, the model that I have, I think that is where we उसके advantages पता चलते हैं, because VIDA and White Carbon Motors, they are the only 2 companies which have batteries that are swappable. So
Really?
you don't need to worry. Yeah, तुझे पता नहीं है क्या मेरी बाइक में I don't need to go to any
I just
electric
thought
store.
that you have a really problematic situation with charging your vehicle.
No, there is no problematic situation dear. ये बहुत लोग को यही लगता है. Let me clarify this. And जब से मैंने मेरे भाई को ये बताया, मैं तुझे बता रही हूँ, अपनी बाइक लेके भी नहीं जाता है. Because पेट्रोल का खर्चा तो खुद को निकालना पड़ता है, इसलिए वो लेके भी नहीं जा रहा. वो मेरा ही स्कूटर हर जगह लेके जा रहा है. So O3 now, मेरी जो बाइक है O3, it basically has like batteries are swappable. कोई electric port वगैरह की मेरे को ज़रूरत नहीं है. And it is merely for 20 rupees. My White Carbon provides it merely for 20 rupees. So the other day range ना मुझे समझ में आ गया था कि अब मेरी स्कूटर इतना तेज़ नहीं चलेगा, इतना ज़्यादा चलेगा भी नहीं, इतना रेंज है ही नहीं. I went to the showroom. I got my battery swapped just for merely 20 rupees.
That is so affordable.
एंड मैंने उसी दिन
That
तुझे
is
पता
so
है,
affordable.
so, तुझे पता है उसी दिन मुझे ना अपनी बैटरी की हिस्ट्री, बैटरी लाइफ एक बार चेक करवानी थी. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि मुझे एक बार बताओ कि व्हाट इज़ द बैटरी लाइफ लाइक, क्या सीन है मेरी बैटरी का. एंड यूजुअली मुझे पता है क्या लगा था, ऑनेस्टली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यूजुअली कंपनीज हैव दिस हैबिट कि वो लोग ना बस SOC SOH जो स्टेट ऑफ चार्ज एंड होल्ड होता है वो बता के ख़त्म कर देते हैं, बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट एन इशू. बट वाइट कार्बन started from A, explained me to Z, not just the SOC, not the SOH, everything, and they have a separate battery app.
That is great. I mean, for us जिनके डैशबोर्ड पे ऐसे गैंग साइंस आते हैं और हम लोग we get worried कि ये क्या चल रहा है, this is so easy to navigate because you just have to look at your dashboard. If there's a new sign, you can just understand what that is. It's so simple.
Yeah, and बताना
नहीं,
इसको मेरे स्कूटर पे क्रश है, मैं बता रही हूँ.
no.
रिमोट वाला बताना, that day मैंने गिव यू द रिमोट.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Remote. It's so simple, yaar. I mean, it's first of all, it's very cute. The remote is really cute. You can have as many keychains you want. This is not an old style scooty की चाबी जो तुम्हें लटकानी है, हाथों में फंसा के घूमनी है. It's so compact एक तो. And this woman does not give me her keys. She can just unlock the vehicle अपने रूम में से and वो नीचे अनलॉक हो जाएगा. I'll just go take a ride, come back, and then simply she'll lock it. She won't give me the remote because she knows I'll misuse it.
Yeah, and एक बार इसकी she got so scared, and scared also I should use a word that is उसके ऊपर level का, because so my bike has this, my scooter has this mode जहाँ पे through remote I can just operate the safety mode, and this girl right here, so somebody must have tried to tamper with it or something, या tamper भी नहीं, कुछ तो हुआ होगा, and it's there is a siren that started, and मेरा wheel ना जब safety mode on होता है तो wheel lock हो जाता है. It's called wheel immobilization वाला जो पूरा concept है, ठीक है. And it just started ऐसे पूरा siren start हो गया to let her know कि कुछ हो रहा है बाइक को, and she just scared, she's calling me कि भाई ये तो मॉल में ये हो गया, भाई मॉल में वो हो गया, और मैं उसको समझा रही हूँ ये भगवान. It's
I love the fact that whoever tried to tamper the vehicle could not get through with it because the vehicle just locks the पीछे का wheel and it won't move.
yeah.
So whoever tries to steal it, good luck. You can't.
Good luck. Also, so do you remember that one reel that we shot, me and my friend Abhijit shot?
Yeah.
We were out monsoon में and बारिश हो रही थी एकदम, and it was viral all over the college because so my phone has this very cute phone holder मेरी स्कूटर पे, तो यू कैन जस्ट, मैंने बस अपना फ़ोन लगा दिया था एंड बारिश का टाइम चल रहा था. अब माई फ्रेंड अभी जस्ट गिव मी दिस आइडिया कि चलो यार रील शूट करते वगैरह एंड ये सब चीज़ें. वी डिडंट इवन नीड टू होल्ड द फोन, वी डिडंट इवन नीड टू पुल इट आउट. मैंने बस वहाँ पे लगा दिया एंड एक इतनी ऑसम रील शूट हुई है ना उसमें बारिश के टाइम पे.
I hate how her vehicle is so cute,
Yeah.
so aesthetically pleasing, and yet it is so functional. The utilities, the features, they are all over the place. So there's so many features, there's so many, and it's cute. मतलब you know जब वो पापा के ज़माने वाले vehicles होते थे ना उनमें utility थी, but वो बहुत ugly दिखते थे. Let me just tell you that.
Yeah, the Lunas.
Yeah, the Lunas. So
My mom used to be an amazing Luna driver. तुझे पता है, when my mom and dad first met ना, my mom took him out Luna पे.
that is so cute. I wish someone could take me out on an O3 because
You need a
like
partner
yes,
for that. You need a partner for that.
it would just be a cute hypothetical
Only,
situation if we
green
let it.
card partners, by the way.
I mean, see, it would such, just imagine, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna imagine a situation here कि अगर हम you take one O3 and your partner has another, and you're just driving around the city, and you stop by street food khaya, and then you stop by कि कुछ और khaya, and then go around, get ice creams, go to the mela, go to a bookstore, go to a cafe. You just roam around the city and it's so good. I want to sell this idea to whoever is making these O3s कि please
White carbon.
sponsor me. Sponsor a
us.
date for me.
No, yeah, but that is very true. And for all the students out there, I would like to tell you that White Carbon is coming up with this pura subscription model wala theme as well. जहाँ पे just for 199 a month, you can actually just rent. You can get your own scooter and you can take it out anywhere. And I know because जैसे हमने बात की student life में how difficult it is, how difficult the entire transportation system is वगैरह. So you can just pay 199 जैसे तुम Spotify पे pay करते हो, and you can just have your own bike, take it out for groceries, take it out with your friends, take it out to impress your date, take it out to study somewhere. Good to go.
Why did you not tell this to me before telling it to the people there? You're telling me right now that they have a subscription model, they have a really great program जो मैं अभी तक use नहीं कर रही.
The thing is कि मैंने तुझे इसलिए नहीं बताया because you don't listen to me. So I'm actually going to talk to people who listen to me. Ignore her. But yeah, anyways, all the jokes aside, they're also coming up with a subscription model, which is great.
That is
and
great.
Which actually pops this question in my head. So, do you think choosing EVs is a lifestyle choice?
Yes. And that is what is bringing us to our segment 4. This is the last segment. We're going to talk about how EVs have shaped our tomorrow as not a utility but a lifestyle choice.
Yeah.
Students are not taking commute as a as just an expense.
Yeah.
It's now a lifestyle choice. The way you spend for your
Yeah.
commute, because now it's like कि people will actively shift to better commute options, not because there is like a social status attached to it, but there is just more convenience attached to it. People have shifted from that notion कि मुझे ये vehicle चाहिए because इसके साथ ये luxury है, उसके साथ वो social status है, एक social currency जो है, that is more instilled in EVs now because it's more practical, it's more convenient, it's more cohesive in a way.
Yeah. And talking about status, so मैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा मानती हूँ. I believe this very much that EVs are a lifestyle choice. And मतलब I want to give you my own example. My life has dramatically shifted quite a lot after owning an EV. Because I'm genuinely not even kidding. I'm going to make a very serious point right now. So I believe that we are all very privileged sitting here. Okay, everything that we've done or where we've reached in our lives, even the fact that we're sitting here in a podcast, thousands of people, including our parents, have sacrificed for us to be here. So if there is any way, if we get to give back to the society, if we get to give back to the planet, I think we should take that.
Yeah.
All the conspiracy theories aside and ये सब चीज़ें, I'm a very strong ऐसे पूरा eco-friendly वाला पूरा girl. All the conspiracy theories aside, मुझे genuinely लगता है कि get away from petrol, genuinely get away from petrol, and make this your status that you're somebody who's conscious and aware about the environment and all the climate change shit that's been happening, because it's real. Suddenly summer में बारिश, suddenly winter में बारिश, ये सब ऐसे ही नहीं हो रहा है. It's actually real, guys. And
Yeah.
it is a status for me, and I'm very proud of it. And I think everybody should some or the other way think about it. Sit down and think about it. कि तुम्हारे हर एक छोटे decisions, they're important. They are affecting a bigger thing in the universe out there.
And I think a lot of people get away from this notion because अरे यार ये फिर से eco-friendly वाली चीज़ चालू कर दी.
a lot of people do.
think that this is just for the sake of an Instagram bio that we write that we are eco-friendly, but they don't understand कि मतलब when we talk about EVs, we don't say it because it's a more sophisticated option. It's also because, like, for example, a lot of people will come at me and tell me कि तुझे इतना ही पेट्रोल वगैरह की चिंता हो रही है, तो why don't you take a public transport? But bro, it's not convenient at all. A public transport is just bad.
Yeah.
They lack quality, they lack पूरे routes, they're not mapped out ढंग से. So it's like कि just adapt to EV, and the best part is even public transports are adapting to EV right now.
And public transport वाला पूरा नाटक, I understand that, But मैं ना as a girl भी I'm going to get very real. As a girl also, I will hesitate to take public transport. I will think 3 times, 4 times. For example, if my classes are ending at 8 p.m. at night, and trust me that happens. If it is ending at 8 p.m. at night, then मैं सोचूंगी बहुत बार before taking public transport. And either I
Exactly.
have my own vehicle, and I'm so
हाँ.
happy. I'm so happy I can just take my vehicle out.
Yeah, because see, whenever we go out, as someone who's friends with a few localites, we hang out at a cafe or whatever. The first question they will always ask you is, "Ki, how are you gonna go home?"
Yeah.
And then if you think about going back home through a public transport at 11 p.m., I would risk my life.
Yeah.
I have to risk my life in order to get there.
Yeah. Exactly.
And I would rather prefer कि मैं एक व्हीकल लेके खुद के साथ एक सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट पर्सन की तरह कम्यूट करूँ rather than someone who's dependent on a driver that I don't know.
Yeah, so you have your own vehicle, and on top of that, imagine कि वो मतलब lightweight है, it has all of those features, you're also contributing to the planet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
As a
it's
student,
not
you
the पूरा Gen Z वाला shit that you don't care, no, you need to care. You genuinely need to care. Your kids are not going to exist. Let me tell you. I want to be a mom someday. Oh my God, the cameraman is shaking. He's giving us all the clues to stop the podcast.
he's throwing
now.
signs to. Okay, I want to ask our friend behind the camera: is he going to consider buying an EV, or या फिर ये हमारा पूरा conversation was a waste of time?
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching us.
This is going to be a wrap for our
Yes.
first podcast. So,
Thank you. We'll see you again soon. Follow us on Instagram. Till then, bye bye.
stay on the move.
Stay on the move.